Hey guys, welcome another Wednesday options positions update. I don't have a big report or nothing special going on, so we'll just share with you the positions that I opened and closed and look at the profit and loss. Well, not loss, but look at the profits for the week. And for those who don't know, I share what I've done for the previous 5 days. So that would be Wednesday of last week through Tuesday close. And I share that with you here on Wednesday morning. So if you're new here, please like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. If you enjoy the content, leave me a comment down below. I'm still doing the GW Answers series. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I got a couple in queue that I just got to get around to recording. This week's turning into a busy week, it seems, for me. So videos might be a little slow coming out. But like I said, all those viewer asked questions there, anything, I don't care what it is. How much wood could a woodchuck chuck? That'd be a pretty short video because it would be as much as he could. That's the answer. So leave them down below, and let's just get into it. So this week in options, I'm still having trouble kind of putting stuff on. All you guys probably know I like to go 45 days out, and they just yesterday, there was a 45-day expiration that was supposed to be put out last Thursday. Well, it was put out, but they don't fill the strike chain, the option chain all the way. Usually they do that on Friday. So usually every Friday I'm able to put on a bunch of stuff. Well, they didn't fill it out on Friday. They filled it out on Monday. Or was it this morning? It might have been this morning. And so it's been a scramble trying to put stuff on the way I have been doing it recently. So November might be a little iffy. I don't know how it's going to work out. But I'm definitely for the rest of this week looking to put some stuff on. So, what did I open up from last Wednesday? So starting last Wednesday, I opened up 2 Alcoas. That's ticker symbol AA. I opened up a Strangle. I should have wrote that in there. Which is selling a naked call, selling a naked put, and I used the 63 strike on the call, 45 strike on the put, and collected about $126 for that position. I put on a big lots at 42.50 strike, got $75 for that one. And then I put on Winnebago. Now, this one's going against me a little bit, but I'm comfortable with it. Winnebago reported good earnings and stock fell. So that's why I don't play earnings, guys. Even if a stock reports good earnings, it can still fall. And so playing earnings with options is just a coin flip. So I like to look at the earnings, see which direction the market wants to take it, and then react accordingly. And that's what I did with Winnebago. So I sold a 65 strike. It was $70 at the time. I got 115 for it. But you'll see here the stock fell even more. That's a symptom of another company that reported bad earnings, called Polaris Industries, which isn't really that's not an RV. It's a recreational vehicle. Everybody knows the Polaris like side by sides and stuff, but to me they're not connected. So to me it was fine. It's fine where I'm at. I'm good where I'm at. And you'll see below what I've done to collect more premium on it. Ollie's Bargain Outlet, sold a 60 strike on it. Collected $65 for that one. That was a short 30 days. So I've been putting on some 30-dayers because that was big in Winnebago as well. Just because I'm having trouble with finding those 45-day strikes. Synchrony Financial. This one's kind of a low volume stock, so I might be holding this one for a while. But I sold 2 contracts at a 45 strike on Synchrony Financial and collected $60 a piece for those. And then I sold another Alcoa. It had a down day, and so I sold a 44 strike. So I got the 45 and the 44, and I ended up collecting $84 for the 44. Intel actually reported good earnings, in my opinion. They missed by just a little bit, and the market just punishes Intel. But that's just the way it goes. So remember last week I got out of Intel before earnings was announced, and then I ended up selling back these 47s that I bought back previously. So I sold 2 47s at $52 a piece on those. May go in and sell a couple more because it looks like Intel's still under a little bit of pressure. Then I also played the Snapchat. I think they're going to stick around this level. So I sold. I went out to December 3rd. That was a 45 dayer or close to it. Sold 2 45 strikes. Collected $70 a piece for those. Coles. I played Coles. This was a short one. This is before earnings. So I sold a 46 strike. I think it's got support right around there. Maybe it's 45. But there's one contract for $75 on that one. United Airlines, playing the airlines. This one might, I don't know if this will come back to bite me, but I also got a Jets on ETF. So I'm kind of double dipping here. Sold the 41 strike out to December 3rd on United Airlines. I believe it's got support at 44. So 41 seemed fairly safe. I only did one of those at $57, and I just wanted to see if it moved down a little bit more. Maybe I'll add one or get to the 40 strike. And then Winnebago, when it went against me a little bit there, I sold another put down at 60, and I got 60 cents for that one, or $60, whichever way you want to call it. And then today I got into ARK-K, did the 105 strike out to December 3rd and collected $115. So fairly busy, but I need to put on some more, and the market needs to cooperate with me. So what did I close? I only closed out about 9 positions or so, and we'll start from the 20th here. I closed out my PBW. I tried getting back in today, but it didn't fill. But I closed that one for 20 cents. So I realized about $84 in profit there in 13 days. There's that. Oh, I didn't even mention. I thought this was last week. So I closed out of the Intels, the 47 strike. I got exited for 21 cents, made $31. And then the 45 strike, I exited for 14 cents and made $35 in 10 and 9 days respectively. My usual TQQQ that I put on, I usually put on those like a couple months ahead. I usually go 60 to 90 days out on TQQQ, and I get a really safe strike. So if you see I got a 50 strike there, I collected $1.05. I sold 2 of them. I exited them for 50 cents a piece, so profited $108 there in 14 days. K-Web, that's another one. That's the Chinese internet ETF. I tried to get back into that one again today, but it didn't fill. Bought those back for 15 cents, profited $65 in 11 days. Tapestry, little known retail brand or product brand, clothing brand or whatever. Bought that one back for 10 cents, so $49.50 profit in 30 days. Herman Miller, the office furniture manufacturer, bought that one back for 25 cents, profited $59 in 20 days. Lemonade, I'm definitely going to wait for earnings on this one. I'm not sure if they did it yet. but definitely want to wait for earnings before going back into this one. Bought this one back for 20 cents, so profited 89.40 in 32 days. And then these two are together. This is a SOXL spread that I thought I'd have to hold for a while because the bought put was so low that no one was there to buy it, but someone ended up, or sell it, whatever you want to call it. So I bought back it's so confusing when you buy puts. I sold back a put for 5 cents, so I lost $56 on the bought put, and then I bought back the sold put for 25 cents and profited $109. So that was about 50. What is that? 110 minus 55. That's how much the profit was. So that's it, guys. It didn't seem as busy as what it seems like here, but we need more premium cooking. So let's take a look at that. So if we look at total premium cooking, I closed out 9 positions for $576.78. And then I opened 13 for $1,130.01. So that's good. I always like to try to double what I close. So, but overall, premium cooking, $2,427.25. And most of that is coming in November. So I would really like to have that at $3,000, but it's not happening. We'll probably have to start really building out December here and see how that works out. So buying power used right now. Last week I was at buying power of 15%. Now I'm up to 21%. Net liquidity dropped a couple $100. It's because I have some leaps in there that are losing some value, so that just is what it is. So you'll see the maintenance margin 23,800 compared to the premium cooking, so a little over 10%. And buying power used 21%. So I got quite a bit of room to go. Like to get this up to about 30% and be comfortable. Got to get the market cooperating though. So and not try to trade DWAC. We need DWAC to come back. I need a $10 strike on DWAC. If anybody can make that happen, let me know. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment or question down below. You guys have a great week. We'll talk to you later. Thanks. Bye-bye. I am not a financial advisor. The information contained in this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. It is not intended to be investment advice. Please seek a licensed professional for any investment, tax, or legal advice. Thank you.